As the sun folds its arm in the vast lands of India, a new dawn of lights come into view. This is a new world with a different panorama. This is the world of Alstom. With every turn of time, India has witnessed greater demands for power supplies and a need for better infrastructure and power generation. Alstom, a global company that has a presence in the country for over 100 years, provides the full range of power generation solutions. Alstom is first in line in generating clean power, creating hydroelectric facilities, integrated power plants and energy production services. With a niche position in the world market, the group operates in two sectors: power and transport. Alstom, a world leader in power generation, supplies technologies to generate electricity for 1 in 4 of the world's light bulbs. Alstom Rail Transport Solutions cover the increasing demands of interurban links with its metros, trams, regional and freight trains. Today, 1 out of 4 metro trains and 1 in 3 trams of the world are from Alstom. Yet another astounding achievement of the company is the testing of a train with a speed of 574.8 kilometers per hour, the fastest train in the world today. In the power service sector, Alstom competes resolutely by offering a wide range of effective solutions of upgradation and service support to optimize the output of existing plants through control of pollutants and carbon dioxide. With its massive share of 24% supplies in the world's installed power generation, Alstom Power Service contributes 22% of its global sales, with services ranging from spare parts to full O&M, with an installed base of 650 gigawatts, supported with 200 local service centers in 70 countries across the world. In India, Alstom Power Service was set up in the year 2000, and in a small span of time, it has achieved a market share of 15%.
The Power Service India team has seen a lot of growth in last few years, and they are really charged up, and they are looking forward to the future growth and attaining the #1 position in the market.
With its headquarters in New Delhi, the company has shown a steady 10% overall growth in its annual sales during the last few years. Alstom Power Service activities cover boiler, generator, steam turbine, gas turbine, environmental systems and field services. The company provides services including supply of spares, upgrades, retrofits, condition assessment and residual life assessment, all major and minor overhauls, and diagnostic and performance improvement solutions for the entire power plant. Repair technologies include casing repairs, rotor straightening through thermal stabilization, blading, reblading, disc and diaphragm repairs, rotor rewinds, insulation repair and reclassification, rotor high-speed balancing and steam path audits, etc. As technology holders for Babcock-designed boilers in India and combustion engineering worldwide, our solutions also include supply and service solutions for pressure parts, mill and burner upgrades, retrofits and performance improvement packages to help improve plant performance and maintain minimum downtime of equipments. The company earns to its credit the provision of power service solutions to many prestigious clients in India, including NTPC, NPCIL, all state electricity boards, IPPs like GVK and Balco. Today, Alstom Power Service, after cutting across the states from east to west and south to north, is gearing up to spread its wings abroad to countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and the Southeast Asia region.
Our vision is that we develop local capabilities in almost all areas to serve the customer at their doorstep. And my vision probably for the long term will be to develop these capabilities, like having a workshop in Southeast Asia, having the technical capabilities to repair the large generators and large turbines in China.
And with the Alstom as a technology center and the various technology is what we have. That is a strength of Alstom, and that strength we want to establish and firm up within India. That is, Power Service India should be recognized as a leading technology center.
Amongst the satisfied customers of Alstom Power Service India is Durgapur Projects Limited. Wholly owned by the Government of West Bengal, DPL, after the recent renovation and upgradation, stands firm with total power generation capacity of 401 megawatts. DPL's testimonial establishes Alstom's contribution in its achievements.
We are associated with Alstom for last 42 years. Alstom has always fared very well whenever we have asked for any services from Alstom. So even when other companies have failed, Alstom has always stand by our side.
Because the customers come to us when they are in trouble, and when they have confidence in us, the working with customers becomes a lot more easier, and it's very easy to grow the business at that time.
During carrying out the work, they take all safety measures, and they are also very conscious about the health of their workers as well as any other persons working in and around. A job is given to Alstom, you can be rest assured that from the part of quality, supply, direction, commissioning, after sales service, etc., you can be rest assured that you will get the best service available here in India. So as a whole, we think Alstom is a one-door shop where you can get everything you require for a power plant.
Supported by the company's global service resources at Baden, Switzerland, Alstom provides a wide range of services for gas turbines, including total power plant service. At Vadodara Service Workshop, Alstom has repair and service facilities for all types of turbines, generators, rotating equipment of in-house own design or third-party technologies with high-speed vacuum tunnel balancing, which makes Alstom distinct in the power service sector. Other services include diagnostics, blading, reblading, rotor straightening through thermal stabilization, turbine valve casing repairs, and generator rewinds and upgrades. Alstom has in-house competence for carrying out re-engineering for turbine blades and product development for boiler spares and testing facilities at Vadodara. It is also equipped to carry out residual life assessment and failure investigations for mechanical and thermal stresses for rotating equipment as well as for boiler accessories. Alstom, being one of the first companies to have invested in the development of clean power technology, offers ESP services, which covers all site studies, performance testing, general services, installation and commissioning, and upgrade of ESP controllers, leading to emission reduction as well as power and cost savings. Alstom has recently provided these services to its new customer, the Shergar Power Supply Company Limited, Chinakuri in West Bengal. Alstom has not only established itself as a competent service provider, but has also proved to be the only one which cares for the utmost satisfaction of the customer.
Chinakuri power plant established in 1991, and that time the prescribed limitation of stack emission was less than 350 milligram per normal meter cube. So our ESP was designed like that, but in course of time, Ministry of Environment and Forest reduced limitation of stack emission that to less than 150 milligram per normal meter cube. We found that the Alstom is the most competent among all regarding cutting down the emission level, and Alstom made their case for catering this requirement. They started the job and their job is satisfactory, very good, and we are getting the results.
Power Service India growth as a main contributor, and we want Power Service India to be recognized as service provider by choice. We don't want to see Power Service as an alternative to other OEM, but as a first choice of most of the customers to whom we are serving.
The team which we have seen sent by Alstom here is a very competent team. So far the erection capability is concerned, I think they are very good.
In the area of field services, expert staff is provided to execute turnkey construction jobs for power plants. Akri Mota in Gujarat and Gautami in Andhra Pradesh are few of the recent achievements.
We have seen the growth of this organization, and that's not the limit. We are looking forward to further growth because I feel there is a lot of opportunities and the market is big enough to grow further. And with the Alstom as a technology center and the various technologies what we have, that is a strength of Alstom.
We should leverage our PS1 business to develop the capabilities within the areas so that we are able to achieve higher market share from a growing market.
Employees are always at the core of any organization, and so it is with Alstom. To fulfill this vital need, Alstom has a robust recruitment division. The division is instrumental in recruiting some of the finest talent available in India.
The key success factor is the people of the organization, and it's basically how they work with each other, how they work with the customers, how they work with the vendors, the people, how motivated they are, how they feel this organization belongs to them.
The company invests a sizable amount of money in training and development of its people. This endeavor helps the company in availing human resources committed to a work culture determined to attain the company's commitments. Alstom has always been known as a company that fosters innovation and offers the most challenging environment for its people to learn, grow and innovate. This pace of innovation and the contribution of its highly talented, multicultural group of professionals augurs well for the company, which is set to occupy a premium position among all power solution companies in India. At Alstom, the sun never really sets.